Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I received a package. You can see here it is from Spell Queen. So if you like what I'm going to be unboxing and opening for you, check out spellqueen.com. So yeah, let's dig in. Okay, so the first thing is I love their box. It says 5D Diamond Painting Kit, unique art that sparkles, combination of cross stitch and paint by numbers. It's pioneering in diamond painting, missing diamond insurance, and 5-star product. The sticker is on their box. However, what I ordered, I'm not sure how it would fit in this box. So let's open it and see what we have in here. Here we go. Okay, so I did order 3 canvases, or actually 4 canvases. And with the canvas, interesting, this is their toolkit. Let's open it. You get a little wax caddy. I love these large white funnel trays. A pink squishy. A single placer with a 4-placer. Love these 4-placer tips. You also get this little container. It's numbered up to 12. And there's these pink tweezers. Let's open these real quick. You know another company does pink tweezers, but we are looking at this one. All right, so these are sharp pink tweezers. So yes, each toolkit is the same. Because I ordered 4, I received 4 of them. Super excited. Great toolkit. All right, not liking this, Spell Queen. Just saying. Let's see what we got going on here. I don't know what's in each one of these. Let's open them up and see what this one is first. Okay. This one is, let's see if it shows me, a 30 by 40. Looks like it might be square. You can see right there, really clear symbols. And I just showed you what it is. I love daisies and sunflowers. When I saw this, I had to try it. One thing I do like about Spell Queen is they do show you on their site what it's going to turn out to be based on size. So you can see if the size you choose is actually going to come out how you expect it to come out. Okay, so they advertise this as a 30 by 40. It is 24, probably by 34. Yes, by 34. Now, if you did the whole canvas, meaning outside the drill field, it is 39. This is probably 29. Oh, it's almost 30. Has 19 colors. You have the DMC codes right there. Looks like everything's numeral or alphabet. It is poured glue, which is really nice to know. And this one is on sale right now for $13.99. They do offer a buy one, get one extra 50% off right now. And sometimes if you buy certain amounts, they'll give you a free pen. And we're going to figure out what that is, because I don't know if the pen was in there. Oh, so I was wrong. It is round, not square. which is interesting because this looks like a square. You can pick round or square on their site. These come in baggies, as you can see, and they do have the DMC codes on them as well as the number they are on your canvas key. I will be double checking inventory off camera, and then I will cut in if need be, but you can see here the colors. Pretty standard. But this looks like it might be the same canvas for round and square, because this looks like it would fit a square. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. You do have to be careful when you open these because the canvas is right there at the top. So I'm cutting on the side. So I wanted something kind of fun. So I got this little flamingo. I'm not really into flamingos, but I thought this was cute colors. And I wanted to get a variety with Spell Queen. This is a 30 by 45, so it's supposed to be a little bit bigger. And I can tell it is. And this one has 17 colors. If we measure it, it is 39 by 24. So it is that 5 or 6 centimeters off because they're using the drill field. Again, it does look like square, but I did choose round. And it is DOC colors, codes. It is alpha and numeric. I just thought that was kind of cool, these colors. I love this aqua blue color. We've got some pinks, some salmons, and then the greens and the grays for the leaves. So we'll see how this turns out. I needed a few snack sizes. It's full drill and it's poured glue. Okay. All right, so this is the one I'm a little worried about. I understand they're cute boxing, but I'm not a big fan of folding your canvas and leaving it that way for a while. All right, so this, okay, so let's see. The Flamingo was $15.99. This one is $18.99. And I got the 40 by 50. And this is what it is. It's a peacock. I just thought that was gorgeous. It's just beautiful. It's got 26 colors. So see, what happens is the bend itself shouldn't be too bad, but it's these corner pieces. The glue and the canvas get damaged. So I'm being gentle with it. Getting it to breathe a little bit before I start unrolling it. What saved it is that it is poured glue. I will have to flatten it under my bed or a heavy box or some books. But how beautiful is that? Just something fun. I do wish it had a few more colors, but I'm not going to judge it till it's done because you never know. You never know. It does have 26 colors. This one I chose in this, let's see, round again. I don't know, I must have been on a round kit when I ordered these. Again, the symbols are very clear. And we have these beautiful colors. How fun and gorgeous is that? And you can see up close, these drills are really good shape. No pun intended. Doesn't look like much or any trash is in there. They're going to be fun to work with. Now this last one I purchased for my friend Crashly, because if she ever did a funky collab, I wanted to have at least one canvas that I could do the collab with her. Again, Spell Queen does show on its site when you're ordering what the size looks like. I enjoy that about them. But when I saw this, I had to laugh. And this one cost me, let me see here. I purchased it as a 45 by 60. Let me update it here. So it would be $37.99. Can you already see that it's something odd? Oh. Okay, it has 21 colors. And they're greens and purples. This one I did do square. Are you ready? It is a mermaid pig. So there are 3 of them. They're singing. It's a little starfish. And I just thought it was so funny. I needed to have it in my stash. So if my friend Crashly ever did a weird collab or her boob painting, I needed to have something that was tastefully funny. So that is why I got this pig painting. I did get the squares, as I mentioned before. I did go up in size, 45 by 60, because I wanted to get a little bit of the detail in the scales of the mermaid costume. But these colors are pretty. I can't wait to see them on because they do look a little subdued, and I can't tell if that's just because of the DMC color or because of the dye lot. I'm excited to see one of these Spell Queens finished. Give you guys a post review. All right. So shipping wise, everything was really well done. I give you all points for shipping. However, canvases, I am going to dock you a star because you did fold your canvases. I think you should invest in some larger boxes, sending them out that way. Even though it's poured glue, your customers do not like when the canvases are folded in half. Okay? Big no-no. Yes, so altogether out of 5 stars, I would give this probably 3 3/4 star right now. I thought I was supposed to get a free pen, but it might have been this toolkit instead. It's been so long since I ordered. Who knows? All right. Well, Spell Queen, I hope that you guys go check them out. I do give them props, 100% stars on showing how a canvas turns out. Actually on the site, they also have some freebies that you can get if you purchase more than one canvas, as well as some sales. And they also come in a cool box, but do beware, sometimes they may fold the canvas. So thank you so much, Spell Queen. I am excited. You do have an amazing variety, and I loved picking out these canvases and ordering them. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.